Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Wednesday market webcast. All right, let's start on the daily here. We talked about the bears needing to avoid this being some kind of a bull flag. Well, they're trying to break out above it, and if they clear 45.86, then you're really the next area to get involved with. I mean, you got a little bit here at 46.03, and the roundy will try to hold it a bit. But then after that, you're really going back to where they broke down here on January the 18th from the 50-day and the 9-day. And more importantly, at that point, you would have converted the 9-day, the 20-day, the middle Bollinger Band, which is your green line. You're above the 100 now. And the 50-day exponential held it in back on February the 2nd. So over 45.86, and you got a real problem. You got a real problem. You'll have converted all of these areas. And it just becomes a situation where the bears had a decent chance to turn this into some kind of a deeper triangle at a minimum. And they held for 3 sessions there. They held that 9-day. They closed above the daily mid-band, which had been decent resistance for 4 sessions, 5 sessions. And now you're really set up to the point where if the bears don't fight back right away, you're going to see some kind of a close, if not today, in the next couple of sessions, at or above 45.86. So daily chart-wise, that's where we are. Hourly, we talked yesterday, we were consolidating. The bulls have won that consolidation battle. They held weekly pivot yesterday. They really jumped it up off the close. There have been some big moves on the close, big hourly candles on the close. Here, 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 you see it. The close has been moving. Bears won this one. Bulls got this one. That was really post-close. I'm sorry. That was Amazon. So the Bears, win this close, win this close, win this close, win this close. It's the first one they've lost. Now, is that indicative of a major turn? Potentially. Because if you go back to here on the way up there, bulls won that one. So the side that has prevailed in the 3 o'clock hour Eastern time has been most often, and I would say for the last 6 to 7 sessions, has been the side that has held overall what I call tape control. That puts the ball squarely with the bulls to be able to continue this progression. So you see the yellow line there, that's your 100-day. You see the red line up there near the top of the chart, that's your 50-day. And it all goes back to right here. Here's that 45.86 we were talking about on the on the chart from February the 2nd. What is this right here? That's Facebook. That's Facebook. That's Amazon. So this little move down, precipitated by those Facebook numbers, it breathed here. It did a lower high versus here. I'm sorry, it did a lower low versus here. It broke that 62.75. Not by a tick or a couple of ticks, by about 5 or 6 handles. And they came in and bought it. They couldn't take out this low, and they really ramped them, and now they're running away with it to the upside potentially. So we'll see how the day plays out. Volume weighted average price, 45.38 basically. Proprietary moving average, 45.49. You got the 5-minute mid that's been good support since it was touched at 5 a.m. Coming in at just underneath 45.53. So it's on the bears to fight back. There's not much more to say. If they don't, we will continue to bleed higher. It'll be the next in the series of rallies that everybody hates. And it can go farther than you think if they can clear that 45.86. But let's take it one session at a time. But be mindful today of what happens at 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. Who's controlling that close? All right. Everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care, get your butt in the room, come check us out, trade them well. I'll talk to you tomorrow.